Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 5. X varies directly as y square and x is equal to 4 when y equals to 6. Find the value of y when x equals to 16. So it is given that x varies directly as y square. That is, x is equals to k y square, introducing the constant k. And from this, we can find our k. K is equals to x over y square. Now, when x equals to 4, y equals to 6, so we have that k is equals to 4 all over 6 square, and that is equals to 4 all over 36, which is equals to 1 all over 9. So that means that x is equals to 1 all over 9 multiplied by y square. That means x is equals to y square all over 9. Now we're now asked to find what? We're asked to find y when x equals 16. Find y when x equals 16. So that means 16 is equals to y square all over 9. Now y square is equals to 16 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 144. Then y is equals to the square root of 144, and that is equals to 12. So therefore the answer is 12, which is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.